Add some excitement to your time at the shooting range with Sonic Boom exploding targets. Inside each canister of Sonic Boom, you'll find the ingredients for explosive fun on the range. Simply combine the two components. Give the mixture a good shake to create the blend, set the target downrange, aim, and fire. Having this much shooting fun has never been easier. The rimfire targets can be shot with rifles as small as 22 or 17 caliber, handguns, and even a shotgun firing loads that travel at least 1,000 feet per second. Just combine the ingredients within the two pouches into the included mixing bag, pour a spoonful of the mix into the targets, snap the cap, place downrange, and fire. The rifle targets are designed for heavier calibers that fire rounds that travel at least 2,200 feet per second. You simply pour the included powder agent into the canisters, shake to blend the two agents, place downrange, and shoot. It's safe, it's fun, and it's taking shooting sports to a whole new level. Sonic Boom, the most effective exploding targets on the market today.